Welcome to DGO Tile, your trusted partner for premium tile and pool services in Antelope, California, and beyond. With over 25 years of experience, our skilled team specializes in top-tier tile installation, custom pool remodeling, and unique stonework that adds timeless beauty to your home. From elegant patios and pathways to detailed hardscaping, we bring your outdoor living spaces to life with unmatched craftsmanship. We also offer comprehensive pool maintenance and specialty services like mastic work and DGO Seal, ensuring your pool stays in pristine condition year-round. At DGO Tile, your satisfaction is our top priority. We combine expertise with attention to detail to deliver projects that exceed expectations. Transform your home today with DGO Tile. Contact us for your free consultation at dgotile.com or call 91626-11175. Quality, reliability, and excellence always.